Hello students, welcome to this online tutorial. Myself Vimal Sojitra. I hope you are well in this time. Today we are going to learn about computer. We will start chapter number 1, functions and parts of a computer. In that we will cover up the topics like what is a computer, functions of a computer and parts of a computer. So let's start our first topic, that is what is computer. A computer is an electronic machine which is made of different parts used for input, processing and output. Computers can be used for typing, drawing, listening to music, playing video games and even for watching cartoon films and movies. Computer makes our work very easy. It does not get tired even if it works for a long time. It can remember many things. So here are some functions of computer. The main functions of a computer are input, processing and output. What is input? Data entered into computer is called input. Data could be letters, numbers or even pictures. It could be anything. In short, data entered in computer is considered as input. What is processing? When the computer works on input data, it is called processing. And what is output? Information given by computer after processing is called output. Output can be seen on monitor or printed on paper with the help of printer. So there are mainly these three functions of computer. A computer is called a smart machine. Why? Because of its special qualities. A computer is made of different parts. The different parts are used for input, processing and output. Which are they? Let's start the topic, parts of computer. There are basically three divisions of parts of computer, that is input devices, output devices and processing unit. Let's start with input devices. If we want to enter data into computer, it has two common devices, that is keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse are most commonly used input devices. Let's start with keyboard. Keyboard is a flat rectangular box. It has many keys on it, such as number keys are used to enter numbers starting from 0 to 9. Letter keys are used to write words or sentences starting from A to Z. Spacebar key is used to put space between letters and words. When you are writing anything and you want to put space in between, then spacebar key is used. Enter key is used to go to the next line. When you are writing anything and you want to go next line, at that time enter key is used. Many times enter key is also used to start a program. Shift key and caps lock key are used to type capital letters. Arrow keys are used to move the cursors up or down or left or right. Backspace key and delete key are used to erase a character, but the difference is that backspace key is used to erase a character from the left of the cursor and delete key erases a character to the right of the cursor. So these all are keys we can use with the help of keyboard. Next input device is mouse. Mouse is small plastic device. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it, such as left mouse button, right mouse button, and there is one scroll button in between. Mouse is kept on mouse pad. When you move the mouse over the mouse pad, the small arrow on the monitor will also move, and this arrow is called mouse pointer. So when you move the mouse on the mouse pad from left to right, the mouse pointer on the screen will also move from left to right. And in the same way, if you move the mouse on the mouse pad from up or down, the mouse pointer on the monitor screen will also move up or down. Mouse is connected to CPU with the help of cable. When you press and release left mouse button, it is called clicking. And when you press and release left mouse button twice, it is called double clicking. And when you press right mouse button, it is called right clicking. So these are called actions of mouse. So we can say keyboard and mouse are most commonly used input devices. Next one is output devices. When computer works on input data, after processing, it displays the output on monitor and prints output with the help of printer. So monitor and printer are most commonly used output devices. Let's start with monitor. Monitor looks like TV screen. It is called VDU, means Visual Display Unit. We can see cartoon films and movies on it. Monitors are available in different size today. The output displayed on monitor is known as soft copy output. So these are first output device is monitor. Next one is printer. When output is printed on paper, printer is used. Printers are used to print text and pictures also. Today, there are different types of printers available, such as dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Let's start with dot matrix printer. In dot matrix printer, there is a set of needle-like pins that prints words or pictures. It means dot matrix printer prints word or picture with the help of small dots. Dot matrix printers print in black and white format only, and this type of printers are noisy and slow in speed. Next one is inkjet printer. Inkjet printer prints with the help of spraying ink. It can print in both format, black and white and color. It produces better quality output as compared to dot matrix printer. and it is quieter than dot matrix printer. Next one is laser printer. Laser printer uses laser beam technology. It is costlier than dot matrix and inkjet printer, but the quality of our document is greater as compared to dot matrix and inkjet printer. So as per the requirement, all the three types of printers are available nowadays. So in short, we can say monitors and printers are used for output. Monitors displays soft copy output, while printer is used for hard copy output. Next part is processing unit. When we enter data into computer, it processes the data with the help of processing unit. It means CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is most important part of computer. It is called brain of the computer. CPU not only processes the data but also stores the data. So we can say output performed and saved in the CPU only. So it is main part of computer. So today we have learned about what is computer, functions of computer and parts of computer. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. So today we have learned about what is computer. It means computer is an electronic machine which is made of different parts used for input, processing and output. There are three main functions of a computer, that is input, processing and output, and parts of computer. In that we have learned about there are two types of input devices such as keyboard and mouse, two types of output devices such as monitor and printer, and there is processing unit, that is CPU. So now you can easily solve this exercise. In that you have to give name of the following. The first one is you have to give three main functions of a computer which we have already discussed. Second one is three types of printers. Now you can give the names of three types of printers. Any two names of input devices. Next is two names of output devices, and last full form of CPU. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.